So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of high CPU usage on your Windows laptops. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply right click on the start menu, and here you'll see this option of task manager right there. Click on this, and once it gets open, just simply go to this section of performance right there. When you click over this tab, that is performance. Now here you'll see that overall CPU usage. You can easily find that if your CPU usage is high or not. Now if it is high, just simply come back to processes, click on this option of CPU. Now it will sort all the system with according to CPU. Now just simply check out which is consuming a lot of CPU and simply terminate that particular process if it is not a system process. Just simply right click over there and hit on this option of end task. What it does, it simply stops a process that consumes a lot of CPU, and it will definitely solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.